Hi everyone, welcome back to Tanya Duet. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So let's get started. Today I'm going to create a tracing game. So you already have been watching my series, right? So by defaultly we have to delete this sprite. Click on the delete option. Now select a new sprite. I'm just selecting the beetle. So here you just select the beetle. Now select one more sprite. Just selecting this cat too. Yeah. So now I'm going to create a racing game. For that, I'm getting a good background. So go to the new backdrop. Click on the sports. So if you click on the sports, you'll be getting a track, which is very much suitable for a racing game. Yeah. So see here. So this is a racing game. Now I'm just going to create one more sprite, which is the third one. I just wanted to paint here a finishing line. So whoever touches the finishing line, they'll be the winners. If you wanted to paint, fill the color, select any color. Yeah. So now this is my finishing line. If you wanted to make it grow, you can use the option grow. Okay. For suppose if you wanted to make it shrink, you can use this shrink option. Okay. So that the size will be reduced. Now what we done is we added two sprites, which is a beetle and a cat. Now the third one is the sprite 3, which is the finishing line. Now let's start giving the commands. Come to the scripts, go to the events, take the green flag. I'm just zooming it. Now come to the motion block, make it to move 10 steps. So now I'm just going to the control block using the if then condition. So what my condition is, if it touches the line, so for touching the line, you should come to here. So now instead of the mouse pointer, there's a small triangle, click on the sprite 1. So if it is touching the mouse, like sensing, now it should give a command like say hello. Instead of this say hello, I just want to edit that I want. Yeah. So whenever I'm clicking on the green flag, it will move one step and it is touching the sprite. If it touches the sprites, it will say I want. Okay. So yeah, let's click on this. It's moving only one time, right? So each and every time if you give the command, that will work. Like see. See, it is taking some time. No? Yeah, now it's saying I won, right? So after touching, it has to come back to the position of this. So see, just bring it here to here. Now you can see the options go to. Okay, so make it here to go to, which is 117. So after that, it has to go to 1. Like suppose, let me bring in here. Yeah. So once it is touching the line, it will has to go to the there, right? So I just wanted to repeat this forever. See how it is working. Because it's not moving. Why? Because already I gave the go to there. That is the reason it's not working. Yeah. So now it will work. Right. So after touching that, it has to come back. So for suppose if it touches this line, if I click on the flag, okay. So after touching that, it will come back. Now see here. But I don't want this to happen. Now, one, I'll make it to move like that. I'll just give some steps like 400 or something. Okay, this is for the beetle, and now let's give for the cat. I just want to automate it that like, whenever I touch on the green flag, it has to automatically go there and should come back. Okay, so now see this cat has to move from here. So go to position is being updated and glide is also updated. So I'm just taking the glide. Let's see what is happening. Okay, suppose if it is here, if I click on this, see how it is running. It is running like that, right? But If we use from here to here again, go to, the values are changing, right? You can see the values of the X and Y coordinates are updating. See, after clicking on the green flag, it has to go there and it will come back again. So this is how it is working actually. Yeah, for this, I'm just adding a command called hurrah, I won. Hooray. Okay, yeah. So now see, let's make it screen big. See how it is working. Both of them are saying they have won. Okay, now see. But here, have you observed the beetle? It's not coming back, but the cat is coming back. It's because of the go-to option. I just want to know you people the difference, like how we are using the go-to and all that. See for the beetle, we click on the green color flag, so it is moving 400 steps. Now, if you use the go-to option for this, now see, go to the motion block, see the go-to. Now attach the go-to here. Now once after it is reaching there, it will come back again, right? Say, you can see that, right? So I'm just changing that instead of the 400 to some 200 so that it will go slowly and the other one will move fastly. Yeah, so this is what I did. Let's make the screen big. See here. So if you are adding the one is not moving just by the go to, it is just coming back. Okay. If you remove the go to, this is just a racing game. See, it is just going there. If you click again, the beetle will go. But the cat is not like that. It is moving a bit faster. Okay. So now if you wanted to come it back, like the glide, you can use the glide option here. So the glide is like, it is just coming back. See here. It will just come back in a reverse. See here. Yeah. So even glide is not correct for this, right? Yeah. So I'll show you once again how it is working. See, one is automatically moving and it is coming back, but the beetle it's moving very slowly. If you click again on a green flag, it is just moving. Okay. Yeah, so this is about a racing game between two sprites. I hope everyone enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm just editing instead of this as Tanya to guide. Tanya to guide. Yeah, I'm just running it. Let's see how it is going to work. Let's click on it once again. Tanya to guide it is coming, right? But this also I'll just edit. Instead of hooray, I'm just writing Tanya to guide. Make the screen big. Yeah, Tanya to guide it's coming, right? Thank you. Thank you all for watching.